Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the website hosting handbook and how to make edits to this document. This document was created in Microsoft Word and can be easily changed to fit your agency. So let's just jump into Microsoft Word and show you how to make edits. So after you purchase the website hosting handbook from our website and you open up in Microsoft Word, this is how it should look. So I'm going to walk you through how you can change out all of these different images, the logo, how to make changes to the header and footers on the subpages. So let's jump into the very first one. And if you want to change this background image, what you could do is right click and hit edit header. Or you could always go into insert and then right here where it says header, you can go where it says edit header. And if you want to change out this image, all you have to do is just click anywhere right here, just right click and hit change image. And then you could always click this button where it says this device and upload a different image. So that's how you can edit the background on the home one. So if you hit escape a few times, what it does in Microsoft Word, it was kind of gray it out, but this isn't how it's going to look when you export it as like a PDF. Now you can change out this logo right here. This is our Wiki Design logo. Just go ahead and click on that. I just have that as an image. You can just right click and hit change picture, and same thing, just change it right here with this device. And then if you want to change the name right here of the website hosting handbook, you can always go ahead and change that. And then right down here, you're going to want to change this out to whatever the client website URL, or you could just delete it, whatever, kind of fits your agency. Now, if I scroll down into the sub pages, you can see right here, like I said, this blue is a header, and then right down here we have the footer. So let me show you how to make those edits. You could do the same thing. You can right click and hit edit header. And then what this is actually a shape. So if you see right here where it says shape format, what you can do is if you need to change this blue color right here where it says shape fill, just go ahead and click that. And then any changes you make right here, it's going to follow all the way down to all of your sub pages. So if I scroll down, you'll see it has a purple. So if you're happy with the blue, you don't have to make that edit. And if you go down into the footer, if you're already in the header section, you don't have to do anything, but you could always right click, hit edit footer. And then, of course, change out the image right here. So you just click on the Wiki Design and hit change picture and then this device. And then this right here is just some text right here. So you can always change this if you need to change that out. And that's it. So after you do your edits to your header and footer, you can just hit escape a few times and you'll be back to your regular document. And now I can walk you through how I kind of have this set up and how I hand this off to clients. So the very first page is just kind of introducing what this document is. And then right down here, this is what we include with our website, monthly maintenance and everything. So we include the hosting, and then I go ahead and every month and make sure all of your plugins are updated. I do any checks for bugs and, just kind of do like a check-in. So you could just, use something similar to this for your agency. One thing I do recommend is if you see right here where I have 5 gigabytes of space and 40 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth, and then I have an asterisk, and then down here I have the overages charges, because there are cases where certain clients might have a lot more bandwidth. And so it's kind of nice inside this document that they know that if they go over, it's billed at $15 per month for every 40 gigs. Storage overages are billed at $20 per 5 gigs. So it's kind of similar to like a cell phone plan. So I always like to know, okay, if I go over, how much is it going to cost me every month? So if you have a situation where you need to add that, this is a good place to do that. And on the next page, what I did is I like to explain which plugins are included inside the maintenance package, and then which ones the clients are going to be responsible to keep up with for the billing. So if you look right here, I just give a list of the different plugins on this demo website of what's included already on the website. And then down here, the additional premium plugins. These are going to be the plugins that you're going to want the client to pay for with their credit card. And then what I like to do is put when that plugin expires. So they know every year at this time, in this case, I just put, February 15th. The client will know, okay, all of these plugins need to be updated. So you can also tell them, hey, add it to your calendar so you know to make sure that everything is up to date. And then very simple, on the last page, I just kind of give a description of me, because I'm the one that manages all of our client websites, who they can personally reach out to. So just a really simple, email right here, and a phone number. This way the client will always have this document, and they could just, if they don't have my email saved for some reason, they can always reference back to this document. And that's an overview of your new website hosting handbook and how to make edits to it. Thank you for watching.